Greetings fam, if you're into making real-world objects from digital designs, whether for fun, prototypes, home projects, or small business work, the Bambu Lab A1 3D printer deserves your attention. It's a feature-rich machine with multi-color support, high speed and precision, and smart automatic systems designed to make 3D printing easier. So check the link in bio for the best price before we dive in. I've researched this printer thoroughly across official specs, maker community feedback, and real user reports so you get honest insight into how it performs in everyday use. Bambu Lab has developed a reputation for pushing tech forward in desktop 3D printing, and the A1 brings that ethos into a package that's accessible for beginners and capable enough for experienced users. One of the biggest practical strengths of the A1 is its support for multicolor 3D printing. With the right add-ons, you can print objects that blend different filament colors in a single build, opening up possibilities for more expressive, functional, and visually interesting prints without manually swapping materials mid-print. Speed and precision are also frequently praised. The machine's hardware and software work together to deliver high-quality prints at faster speeds than many entry and mid-level FDM printers. That means detailed, accurate parts faster, a real advantage when you're iterating on designs or printing larger pieces on a deadline. Smart features like full auto calibration and active flow rate compensation help reduce common hassles that trip up newer makers. Auto calibration takes the guesswork out of bed leveling and first layer tuning, while flow rate compensation helps keep extrusion consistent even as temperature and filament characteristics vary. The reported noise level of is less than or equal to 48 decibels is another plus for home and office makers. It's quiet enough that you can run prints without turning your workspace into a distraction, which people who live or work in shared spaces consistently appreciate. Of course, I'll keep it real about limitations. While the A1's multicolor capabilities are exciting, setting up and mastering color printing still takes patience and learning. It's more complex than single filament prints, and beginners should expect a learning curve before they see perfect, multicolor results. Another point from the maker community is that while Bambu Lab's ecosystem and software integration are strong, they're evolving rapidly. Some users note that firmware updates and slicer tweaks happen often, which improves performance but also means staying current with tools if you want the smoothest experience. After digging into specs, user impressions, and community discussions, I think the Bambu Lab A1 3D printer is worth buying if you want a capable, versatile machine that grows with your skills, from functional prototypes to creative, multicolor prints, all while staying relatively quiet and smart about setup and maintenance. Click the link below for the best price.